Good morning, kindergarten. Good morning. This is for group 1. Group 1, keep turning your books to page 100. If you turn your books to page 100, look at number 1. The one simply asks us to write the number that your teacher says. So, for the purple skateboard, write the number 17. Write the number 17. Now, for the green skateboard, write the number 83. Write the number 83. And lastly, for the orange skateboard, write the number 50. Write the number 50. As you look at number 2, it will be asked us to add. So take your time when you're adding those particular problems. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3 asks us to write how many cents. And we've been dealing with that for a while now, so we should be getting the hang of it. Now we have nickels, and nickels, as we know, are worth 5 cents. So we're counting by fives. So let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We're going to do that one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So, now line there, we're going to write 35. So when you look at the question for number 3, make sure you take your time and you count each nickel and you're counting by fives. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 asks us what time it is. Alright, let's start off with the hour hand. The hour hand is pointed towards what number? This is the hour hand. Shorthand is pointed to 3. So the first number we're writing a 3. Now the minute hand is pointed to 6. So we have to start at number 1. Find number 1 on your paper and then count by fives. That's how you identify what time it is for the minute hand. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we write 30 right here. So the time for this particular clock is 3:30. Now as we move on to number 5 wants us to write the number. So let's start with the first example that's given to us. We have 6. So we are writing the number 6. And notice 6 is that way. No, that's not right. That's not the correct way for 6. Let me fix that. So your 6 will be facing this direction. Alright? Let's look at 7. This said 7. So make sure the 7 is facing that way. That's the correct way to write the number 7. And lastly, for number 6, it just wants us to write the number that comes after. So what comes after 15? What comes after 15? 16. Good job. Now look at 29. What comes after 29? What number? 30. So that's how you solve that particular problem. Alright, let's look on turn to page 102. Now 102, we are filling in the calendar, and then I'm telling you what next you have to do. You have to work with the colors. So it's very simple. First, you have to fill the calendar in. So you work with the month of March. March has 31 days. The first day is on Sunday. Notice this is abbreviation. I wrote it for short. So this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The first day of the week is Sunday. And on the calendar, that's number 1. Then comes next. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's look at what we have done so far. So we're number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to do the next row together. 8, 9, 10. What comes after 10? 11. Keep going. 12, 13, 14. I'm going to stop right there. So what you have to do, you have to basically go up to number 31. On completing your calendar, you're writing the number 1 through 31. Now let's look at the second part, where it says colors. Excuse me. So we have colors. We have Sundays. I'm sorry. The color for Sunday is orange. The color for Mondays is yellow. The color for Tuesday is purple. The color for Wednesday is green. The color for Thursday is red. The colors for Friday is blue. And the color for Saturday is brown. I have a red marker, so we're gonna do Thursday, for example. So notice Thursday, that's red. I'm not gonna color the whole box in, but you are. So everything for Thursday up to the 31st is red. Okay? And then I have a blue marker, so for Friday, you color that box blue. So that's how you solve that problem.